Hey guys, MrWaheedulHaque, welcome to another video. Today I'm going to be showing you how to change a car battery key on the BMW F30 3 series. So this is the key. So what you want to do is pop this key out first, push that in, pull it up. Simple as that. So that's the hole it just come out of. But if you look on this side, there's another hole. So what you do is push the key in there and then pry it. So you're going to be pulling it this way, pushing this bit up basically. So I'm going to try to do that now with one hand if I can. If not, I will have to pause the video somehow. Okay, wait. Might be able to do it. Oops. 1 second. Maybe able to do it or maybe not. Let's see. Push down and then you can hear it. Can you see what I'm doing? Oops. Okay, 1 second, guys. So yeah, put it in, wiggle it about, and then bam. Should pop out. There you go. And that is the battery you need, the CR2450. And yeah, that's the battery my cousin gave me. So yeah, this battery is not going to work, so I'm going to have to get a new battery, guys. So I'm going to order these and then I'll switch the battery. But yeah, so this you can literally pop out with your hand, or if it doesn't come out with your hand, you can just get something and just pop it out. So yeah, the use Sony battery is not bad. So you guys, thank you guys for watching. That's how you do it. And to put it back in, just literally blah blah blah, simple as that. I'm going to give this a clean. Look how dirty it is. I don't know why it's so dirty. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe to the channel. See you guys next time. Goodbye.